Hey, everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to tackle a question that's been puzzling many of you: how to use algebra in Excel for a specific purpose. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone who loves playing with numbers, this topic is sure to intrigue you. We'll explore the world of algebraic expressions and equations within the familiar environment of Microsoft Excel. In this video, we'll delve into the concepts and steps involved in using algebra in Excel. By the end of this discussion, you'll have a solid understanding of how to apply algebraic techniques to solve real-world problems, or simply to streamline your workflow. So, let's dive right in. So, what exactly is algebra, and how can we use it in Excel? Algebra is a branch of mathematics that deals with variables and their relationships. In the context of Excel, we can use algebraic expressions and equations to perform calculations, manipulate data, and even create complex models. Imagine you're working on a project where you need to calculate the total cost of materials based on the quantity and price per unit. You could use a simple formula like Anabonen, where A1 is the quantity and Bon is the price per unit. However, what if you wanted to make this calculation more flexible? That's where algebra comes in. You can create an algebraic expression that represents the relationship between the quantity, price per unit, and total cost. For example, Waonabon Kon, where Kon is a constant or another variable. This way, you can easily modify the formula by changing the values of A1, Bon, or Kon. Another powerful application of algebra in Excel is solving equations. Suppose you have a set of data that represents a linear relationship between two variables. You can use Excel's built-in functions, such as linist and trend, to find the equation of the line that best fits your data. This allows you to make predictions or estimates based on new input values. For instance, if you have a set of exam scores and corresponding study hours, you can use algebraic techniques to find the relationship between these two variables. You might discover that for every additional hour studied, the score increases by a certain number of points. This knowledge can help you make informed decisions about how much time to allocate for studying. To summarize, we've explored the following key points. So, algebraic expressions and equations can be used in Excel to perform calculations, manipulate data, and create complex models. You can use variables and constants to represent relationships between different quantities. Algebraic techniques can help you solve equations and make predictions based on linear relationships. That's all for today, folks. I hope this video has helped you understand how to harness the power of algebra in Excel. If you have any questions or need further clarification, please don't hesitate to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. What specific use cases do you think algebra can be applied to in Excel? Share your thoughts with us.